I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now by enabling the essentials. On each laptop, open System Settings and turn on Screen Sharing or Remote Desktop. Grant permissions when prompted. Once done, make sure both machines are on the same Wi-Fi network or plug an Ethernet cable for stability. You should also check the firewall. Allow the screen sharing app through. This gets you to the first actionable checkpoint so you can start the connection without wasting time on trivial prep. Now, on the host machine, copy the sharing address or session code shown in the screen sharing app. That is what you will send. Then, on the viewer laptop, open the matching client, paste the code or type the host IP address and press connect. When the host receives the incoming connection request, accept it and choose whether to allow control or view-only access. Once connected, adjust resolution and scaling in the app so the display is readable and responsive. To finish, tweak display scaling, resolution, and choose low or high bandwidth depending on lag. That improves usability. When done, end the session from either laptop and verify control rights are revoked. Also confirm any files shared arrived. If something goes wrong, try simple fixes. Ping the other machine, reboot your router, and temporarily disable firewall or VPN to isolate the issue. If it still fails, restart both laptops and reinitiate the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.